Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to build a simple modern website in 2026 without coding, Canva makes it incredibly easy. Okay, so you can create a one-page website for a portfolio, event, business or personal brand in just minutes. No coding required, drag and drop editor, ready-made website templates, free hosting with Canva and mobile friendly by default. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a website in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva, log into your accounts and click create. Search for website, as you can see. Select website, one page for example. You will open the website editor. On the left on the left sidebar, as you can see, we have this templates, as you can see. So browse categories, like for example you can here type portfolio, business, personal, events, resume, landing page, and then click a template to apply it. So for example, let's choose this one. The templates give your site a professional structure. Okay, so now this is the top of your website. Okay, click the main headline, replace it with your message, edit the subheading, change the background image if needed. Okay, for example, headline my journey in England or something. Okay, so and that's it. You can the hero section creates the first impression. Okay, so scroll down the page and customize its section. Common sections include about, services, portfolio, contact. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.